Hi, this is Kim Sunshine, your Boostmate expert. Today, we are going to connect our Google Calendar so that we can have automated appointments, appointment reminders, and have that integrate seamlessly into our calendar that we have on our mobile devices. First, you want to log into your Boostmate, rm.boostmate.com. If you do not have your login, use forgot password. On your left menu, click on Launchpad and make sure that your Google My Business is connected. So you'll want to connect your Google My Business first, then click Calendars, Calendar Settings. This will show the existing calendars I have, and then you'll go to Connections, and you'll connect your calendar right here. Let's look at one of our calendars. So you want to take a peek at a calendar, click the three dots, then click Edit, and you'll be able to see your calendar. This is a free consultation that I'm offering. And if you click on Connections, you'll be able to see that you are connected with your calendar and where that calendar connects. As long as that calendar, so this is a Gmail address, which means it's going through Google Calendar. So that's the calendar that I want on my phone. A lot of iPhones will also connect the Google Calendar with it, so you can still use your iPhone calendar if you prefer that. But both will do the same job. So you don't need any outside calendars and no additional costs to make this happen.